So we've got different faces from different places. Could be from far distance, but no differences. Though we've got different faces from different places, we are from far distance, we got no differences. Cause we are one in the eyes of the Maker. Cause we are one in the eyes of the Maker. It doesn't matter if you're black or white. It doesn't matter if you're from America or Africa. See, it doesn't matter if you are Asian or European. Still we can be together, love one another, stick together like bread and butter. Be there for one another, love and respect each other. Be your brother's keeper, no matter the weather. What join us together is far much bigger, even greater than what separates us. So let's stay together, my brother, my sister. We love for one another, live in peace with one another. So we've got different faces from different places. Could be from far distance, but no differences. So we've got different faces from different places. We are from far distance, we got no differences. Cause we are one in the eyes of the Maker. Cause we are one in the eyes of the Maker. Doesn't matter if you're tall or short. It doesn't matter if you live in paradise or desert. See, it doesn't matter if we are civilians or military. See, let's stop resisting and let's start living. Let's stop dividing and let's start uniting. Show some love to your brother, hey. Show some love to your sister, hey. Be your brother's keeper, no matter the weather. What joined us together is far much bigger, even greater than what separates us. So let's stay together, my brother, my sister, with love for one another, live in peace with one another, hey.
We are one in the eyes of the Maker.
We are one.
We are one in the eyes of the Maker.
We are one.
We are one in the eyes of the Maker.
You are my brother,
We
you
are
are my
one.
sister.
In the eyes of the Maker.
We are one big family.
We are one in the eyes of the Maker.
So let's be together, let's be together.
In the eyes of the Maker. We are one in the eyes of the Maker.